In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a photo in Etsy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to update your profile picture so your shop or buyer profile looks polished and professional. First, open your web browser and go to Etsy's main website. Make sure you're on the Marketplace homepage where you can see the search bar and the usual categories. This is your starting point, and from here we'll move into your personal settings. Once the page has loaded, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. It might be a small photo, an icon, or just a silhouette if you haven't added a picture yet. Click on that profile section to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where Etsy keeps all of your personal options, including account details, orders, and settings. From the drop-down, choose the option labeled Account Settings. Clicking this will take you to a dedicated settings page where you can manage details like your email, preferences, and your public profile information. If you aren't already signed in at this point, Etsy will prompt you to log in before you can continue. On the sign-in page, enter your usual Etsy login details and complete the sign-in process. This step is important because you can only change your profile photo when you're logged into your own account. Once you've successfully signed in, Etsy will automatically redirect you back to your account settings. Now that you're in your account area, look for the option that says Edit Public Profile. This is the section that controls what other people see when they visit your profile on Etsy. Click that link to open your public profile editing page. On the profile editing page, find the section specifically for your profile picture. There will be a button labeled Choose File or something similar. Click on this button. Your computer or device will open a file browser window, allowing you to pick an image from your local files. Navigate through your folders and select the photo you want to use as your Etsy profile picture. Choose a clear, well-lit image that represents you or your brand, and then confirm your selection. Etsy will upload the file, and your new profile photo will appear in the preview. Once you see it there, your photo has been successfully uploaded to your Etsy profile.